In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi direct setup of your HP DeskJet 2952 all-in-one printer. We are going to use the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi for wireless printing and scanning. So first we will activate the Wi-Fi direct, then we will print the password and we will add in a smartphone. On the control panel, look for the Wi-Fi direct icon just above the tricolor icon. If you don't see that, press the wireless button once. It will switch off the Wi-Fi network and activate the Wi-Fi direct. To print the password, press the information button once. On the printer information page, we have to look for the icon that is here. Below the icon, you will see the name of the printer's Wi-Fi and its password. This password is different for each printer. Go to your smartphone and download the HP app. In the app section, you have to type in HP, and that's the app we need. Download this app. Now go to your Wi-Fi settings in the smartphone. Select HP DeskJet 2900 series. Enter the password printed on the page and then go. So we are connected with the printer's Wi-Fi. Now go to the HP app. In the app we have to add this printer. In the app, to add the printer, click on the plus button on the top. Select the second option, add an existing printer, add device. On the next page, you will see HP DeskJet 2900 series. Select it. Automatically it will add the printer and we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. Just wait for a few seconds, the setup will be complete. That's our printer, and now we can start using it. So that's the Wi-Fi direct setup of the printer. So using the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi. You can use it if you don't have any router or wireless signal at home, then you can use this direct setup method. Thanks for watching.